Figma is an incredibly powerful design tool, but before you make the investment, there are a few things you should know. It's popular, but how does it stack up against other options like Sketch or Adobe XD? Stick around as we break down the 12 key points that will help you decide if Figma is the right fit for you. First thing you need to know is that Figma is cloud-based, meaning everything is saved online, and you can access your projects from any device. This gives it a huge edge over desktop-based software like Sketch. However, this also means you need a solid internet connection to get the most out of it. The second thing is collaboration. Figma excels here. Unlike competitors, it lets multiple people edit the same design simultaneously, making it perfect for teams. If you're working on a project with others, Figma's live collaboration features make real-time feedback and edits seamless. Next, let's talk about prototyping. Figma allows you to create interactive prototypes directly within the platform, which means no need to export your designs to another tool. This can be a huge time saver compared to tools like Adobe XD, which require exporting to see your prototypes in action. The fourth thing is plugins. Figma has a massive library of plugins that can streamline your workflow. From stock photo integrations to design systems, it offers a range of tools to enhance your experience. However, Sketch has been around longer and may have a more refined selection, depending on your needs. Next, Figma's learning curve is another thing to keep in mind. While it's intuitive overall, beginners may find themselves spending a bit of time getting used to all the features, especially if you're coming from something like Canva. But once you're over the hump, Figma's advanced features are well worth it. The sixth thing is that Figma is a browser-first tool. This can be great if you prefer working in the cloud, but it does require a stable internet connection. Unlike traditional design tools, this might be a downside if you need to work offline often. The seventh thing is version control. Figma's ability to track changes and revert to previous versions is extremely helpful, especially when working in teams. Adobe XD does offer version history, but Figma's real-time collaboration and automatic saving make it superior in this area. Now, the eighth thing you should know is pricing. Figma offers a free tier that gives you access to many essential features, which is a huge plus over Sketch, which charges for the software upfront. But for more advanced features, you'll need the paid version, which is priced similarly to competitors like Adobe XD. The ninth thing is integrations. Figma integrates seamlessly with a variety of tools like Slack, Jira, and Zeppelin, which can enhance collaboration and project management. While competitors offer some integrations, Figma's cloud-based nature makes these connections smoother and more accessible. The 10th thing to consider is the community. Figma has a large, active user community where you can find tutorials, templates, and inspiration. While Adobe XD and Sketch also have solid communities, Figma's rapidly growing user base provides a lot of value for new users. Next, let's talk about design systems. Figma's ability to support shared libraries and design systems across teams is a huge selling point. You can easily create reusable components that stay consistent across multiple designs. This is a bit more advanced than what Sketch offers, which requires third-party tools for a similar experience. The 12th and final thing to know is that Figma is constantly evolving. New features and improvements are rolled out regularly, often in response to community feedback. If you're the type who likes to stay on the cutting edge, Figma's frequent updates keep it at the forefront of design tools. So, is Figma a good option for you? Absolutely. It's a great tool for collaboration, prototyping, and working in the cloud. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive solution with offline access and advanced features, check out our recommended alternative, which you can try for free.